Hi, this is Oris Nick, and today I'm going to be talking about something that happens all around you and is all around you, and that is motion and forces. Motion is the movement that you make. When you move your fingers like this, that's motion. When you wave your hand to your friend, that's motion. But force, you exert force. You emit energy, which you will place on on an object, which is the force. For example, if you push this table, your body emitted energy, which exerted force on the table. That's what made it move. There's many kind of forces. There's magnetic force, there's gravity, and there's other forces. The forces that come from air and land and water and those kind of things. Most times, force depends on. Let's say you're running on for your when you're running a race. The amount of force, the motion and force you make depends on your mass, depends on how much weight you have. If you're really, if you're not that thin, not too fat, you're just right, and you're running, it will be easy for you to run because your body won't need that much energy to carry your body up and down. But if you're too fat and you try to run, your body will need to use more energy, which will mean that you need more sugar and oxygen in your body, which means you have to breathe really fast when you're running. That's why most times when people finish running, they have to take a little breather so that they can go on. Most times people are emitting force and they don't even know it. Sometimes when you talk, you're emitting energy, sound energy. When you burn charcoal, that's chemical energy. For example, if you burn charcoal, which makes a windmill to spin, that is kinetic energy. There's kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic is something that's already in motion. For example, if your finger's moving like this, that's kinetic. But if you carry a rubber band and stretch it, that's potential energy. So you're storing more and more energy to release it. And that's why it goes far. Most of that's when they're holding bow and arrows, they drag it really much so like it goes at a far distance. There's also heat energy. When you burn charcoal, you also create heat energy. There's yeah, there's hydroelectric, hydroelectric dams turning water to electricity. There's also other forms of energy like, let me say, light energy, with like the ones that comes from TV. It makes light so you can see the characters and pictures on the screen. That's light energy. Scientists are trying to make ways to convert these energy sources to electricity. For example, they found a way to make solar and probably lunar panels. There's chemical energy turned to electricity, and there's even wind energy turned to electricity. So they're trying to create new ways to turn energy sources to electricity so that they don't have to depend on things like gasoline, so they can use electric cars, and that won't destroy the atmosphere. And that way, it's also be very good for your car because not all those oil moving through your car, regular cleaning, your car will be clean. No, there'll be no pollution. So scientists are trying to find a way to convert different energy sources to electricity so that they can be used in homes. And that was Ovis Nuggets explanation on motion and forces. Thank you and goodbye.